When you're looking to grow bigger and better crops, your environment makes all the difference. High humidity stops air from moving properly, making it harder for the plants to evaporate water and take on nutrients. Over time, this can lead to rot and disease. How can you stop this from happening? Keep watching to find out more. Global Air Supplies takes plant care seriously. We bring you only the highest quality grow room products to make you have a perfect growing environment. This week's product focus is the 60-litre Ora Dehumidifier. This dehumidifier removes excess humidity from your grow room with its internal water tank and user-friendly design. The Ora Dehumidifier pulls out 60 litres of water every 24 hours. That's a lot of water. This makes it perfect for small to medium spaces. This unit is designed for effortless control with its built-in timer and sleep mode, which allows you to customise its settings and keep your humidity stable. As well as this built-in collection tank, there is also a run-to-waste option, so you don't have to keep emptying it manually. Unlike bulky dehumidifiers on the market, the Ora has wheels and carry handles to make it easier to move around. Finally, we're excited to announce that the Ora Dehumidifier has now been upgraded to now work with our intelligent humidity controllers. These controllers give you greater control of your environment even when you're not in the room. Ian will now demonstrate how to set up the humidifier and go deeper into the Ora brand.
Cheers Rob for explaining about the 60-litre Ora Dehumidifier. We've had a couple of new products in the range coming very shortly. These are box freestanding units. There's going to be a 70-litre and a 160-litre version. 160-litre version is obviously for the commercial guys. The 70-litre version is a great unit that you can hang in the grow room. These are on wheels, so these basically sit on the floor. How it works, really simple. You've got the screen on the top. That means you can set your humidity, what you want your humidity to be within the room, and that will draw the humidity out of the room through this filter at the front, down here into this storage tank. So if you're only going to collect what's in the storage tank, leave it as it is and the water will filter through into here. If you want to attach it to an external pipe so it free runs, so it free drains, connect your pipe onto this. You've got a small Jubilee clip what comes with there and the hose in the bag. So basically connect it all up. Make sure you push it back in, and as you push it back in, it will push the solenoid in there to know that this is back in there because the unit won't work unless it's pushed in. Shut the door again, and the water will come out here wherever you want to drain it away. So what you notice on the new 60-litre dehumidifier is you have a little red cap here. Behind the cap is a 3-pin connector. That 3-pin connector connects to an IHC controller. What the IHC controller will do, it will turn the unit on and off. It has a day and night time setting, so if you're using the control board at the top, doesn't really have a day and night setting where people like to have different humidity in the day and night. They're so important, dehumidifiers. I would say it's one of the most important things within an LED grow room. What LEDs are doing, they're creating very little heat, which is not burning the humidity off, but they're creating large humidity because they're pushing the plant as far as it can go. It's perspiring, it's sweating, it's pushing that water through the plant. You need to get it out of the room. You're all right with a fan and filter at taking the air out, but again, if it gets above 70%, you're going to damage your filter. So what you need to be doing is keeping it below that mark. Using a dehumidifier will take all the humidity out of the air to stop you getting bud rot. You get bud rot in any situation, it's not great. You could actually wipe a full crop out within a week of getting that mold. So a dehumidifier in an LED room is so important. It used to be HPS lamps, run really big fans and filters to get the heat out. What we have to do now is potentially put heat into the room to get you up to a 28-30 degrees where I like to run my LEDs, and also a dehumidifier to get that humidity down within the room to about 60%. That's a safe zone where you can grow really well. When you're looking at maintaining a dehumidifier, there's not much you can really do. It's a compressor built into a metal box. What there is a little bit of a filter at the front, so make sure this filter is clean at all times because that's going to reduce the airflow running in. Make sure that it can get airflow coming out of the back. There is a little bit of heat comes out of these, so make sure this area is free so you don't block this up at all. And that's about it really when you're trying to keep a dehumidifier clean. Make sure when you're running here, make sure the tank's clean and the pipe is always not restricted, no kinks in it or anything like that. Just make sure it's kept super clean and everything will be fine. Everybody should have a dehumidifier in the grow room to get that humidity down. So that's it from me. Back to Rob in the studio. Cheers, guys.
As Ian showed, the Ora Dehumidifier helps regulate humidity and airflow, preventing mold and disease while improving plant health and yields. So get involved if you found this video useful. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share it with your mates, and catch us next time for more great content from G.A.S.